Many parts through her now. Join the arm. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. Builders, the Force must be strong with you both. And if Master Yoda is saying that it's time, then it must be time to forge the bond between you and your lightsabers. So in a moment, I'm going to have you both step forward together. But first, take a deep breath. Feel the Force flowing through you and surrounding you. Now if you're ready, step forward. Builders, place a hand on your hilt. Now together, activate. Now raise your sabers, for you've just built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now raise your sabers high and proud. Celebrate your word. Wonderful, well done. That bond has been forged. Now please lower and deactivate your sabers.
Ah, complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
And with you. Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, Builders. You're each as unique and extraordinary as the sabers you hold in your hands. Now in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your new sabers, we're pleased to present a saber sheath as you depart. Now this does mean that our time together is coming to an end, but both of your journeys are just beginning. It's time to make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be standing here telling your stories, but until that day comes, safe travels. And as we say on Batu, till the spire.
Till the spire!
Right this way, everyone. Safe travels.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Great work.